Well, we thought it would be fun to show our friends and family our favorite little town here in Indonesia. It's a town called Iboih, which is a town we sail to in Sabang, and it's mainly a diving town. Lots of people come here from all over the world, but not too many people to go diving. It's just very laid back. We wanted to show you a little bit more about the town and some of our favorite places that we like to go eat, some of the people that we have made friends with here, and just
this is the westernmost point of Indonesia. So just from here we'll hop back over to Malaysia, so you can get an idea on the map of where we are. And yeah, this is one of our favorite spots mostly because it's got great friendly people. We've made a lot of friends last time we were here, so we're looking forward as we came in again to reunite with them, and that's been fun. Yeah. So we're going to show you around town, introduce you to some of our friends, and
grab lunch.
Yep, and just show you what it's like in Iboih.
Check out the current. The current is absolutely ripping here. It's high tide. The current just changed now to slack tide, so now the tide's going down. And here the tide flows north during a falling tide, and it's ripping the current. We're going to dive this tomorrow.
It's a little tricky to tie up our dinghy and hopefully not have it swing all the way around or under the dock like we had experienced last time. A couple nights ago we found our dinghy was stuck under the dock, almost punctured by the bottom of the dock, but we were able to deflate it and get it out from underneath.
That's really good.
So, yay, we still have a dinghy.
Fall down, take off my shoes. Yeah, this is our favorite little 7-Eleven that we come to periodically. It's just right off the dock here in town. Sometimes they've got fresh bread, fairly fresh bread. Sometimes not. Got a cooler full of nice drinks. They even sell underwear. If you're running low on underwear, which sometimes Michael is, we had to get him some new ones.
They have a name brand.
They do.
Carter Klein.
Oh, Carter Klein.
Carter Klein underwear.
Wow.
Fancy.
Yeah, let me get a drink. You guys want something to drink?
Yes, please.
Let me get him some.
Boleh.
Maybe Toulouse. Yeah.
Ah.
It's okay. It's okay. Just, yeah, that's okay. Kasih.
Boleh ya.
This is a tsunami area sign that they just put up because there has been tsunamis in Banda Aceh, where we were just like a few weeks ago. And so they put, this is really new, it wasn't here like just like 2 days ago. So, yeah.
Wow. And was this area affected by the tsunami?
I don't...
In 2004?
Yeah.
Yep, it was. How are you?
You?
Good, good. We're going to come eat at the Bulala.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe tonight, yeah?
Tonight, what time?
5:30 maybe?
Yeah.
5:30 or 6? It's okay? Yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Next stop here in the village of Iboih is our favorite dive center, Iboih Dive. I'm going to go over and check out our friends, and there's our friend Luca, the guy with the hair. He's the Italian in town, the Italian stallion, who has makes some amazing tiramisu. Luca, check out the dive shop.
Hello. Hello.
Luca. Whoa! Ow!
Hey, good morning.
Hey, good morning. Good to see
You dive here?
We will. Not today, but tomorrow.
Okay.
Tomorrow. You gonna dive today?
Today, no. Today,
Oh.
Ah,
and
got it.
tomorrow.
tomorrow snorkel. No, tomorrow running.
Running.
Yeah, there is a running competition in
Do
Sabang.
you usually win?
Never win. But I like run.
I like to run.
And
There you
I
go.
like to participate,
Yeah.
to show up.
Well, good to
Okay,
see you.
very nice.
Kids are doing a little video for
How,
the school.
how long you stay? I
Oh.
get the class every Friday, one class with us.
One class every
One
Friday
class
at the school.
every Friday of the school, one class. I
She's
get.
a teacher.
I wish I'd have known that before.
No, good.
Yeah, she can. Very
I'll leave
good.
that.
Okay.
Good to see you. Look at the best tiramisu.
Thank you.
everywhere.
Thank you very
Including
much.
in Italy.
In Italy, they say better here than in Italy.
I'm sure.
hey,
All right.
hey.
See you, Luca. See you, Luca. So maybe tomorrow, pee-pee?
Yes.
Yes? On the toilet? You go on the toilet, I go to pee-pee back. I pee-pee at pee-pee.
Oh, he did sort of.
Okay. But anyway, so we're making some more. We're doing some on Pulaway, scuba diving, Pulaway, scuba diving, Iboih.
Is it Pulau Rubiah?
Yeah.
It's not Thailand.
Yeah, no, it's not here. Not here. This piece is here.
I can see the boat.
No, not much.
Not very good.
Not very good. But we have to start going. So we want to say hello.
I don't want to leave, but we're gonna have to leave.
Yeah, leave soon. So, unfortunately, yeah.
How to do good?
Yeah.
Oh,
that was
good.
Great. Yeah.
Many fish.
Lots of fish and lots of current. It was good. It was really good. The last dive, we did a big drift dive. Maybe you heard. Did you hear from Fikri?
What is it?
Yeah. Wow. I mean, just maybe 1 kilometer. Just the currents.
Big bastard.
Oh yeah. My hands. I was all I could do to hold on. And then I'm here and Fikri's over here. Fikri's going like this. It was crazy. It was a crazy dive.
See
but it
some
was
shark
great.
there?
No, we didn't see any sharks. None.
Oh, Michael saw a hammerhead
He's
shark.
pretty sure he saw a hammerhead shark on the surface in all the currents
Michael.
between here and Rondo.
But from the boat, looking down in the water.
It came up.
Maybe you
Yeah.
ready for
Hammerhead. Hammerhead.
To fix the boat, no?
Just on the surface in all the current between here and Rondo, there was a big current. And yeah, you're sure it's hammerhead, right, Michael?
Almost positive.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or maybe your
Makes a
father
good
tried to
story.
fix the boat on the bottom. No?
Yeah. Okay, well we will continue cruising around, going to find something to eat. But good to see you guys again. And tomorrow, pee-pee.
I drop there, huh?
Please, yeah.
Mark enjoys his trips into the dive shop to organize our next dives and hangs out with the dive guides. He becomes fast friends with the locals, sharing the common passion of diving and exploring the underwater world.
So this next stop is this great little coffee shop that we love. It's owned by a local lady. She's married to a German guy. He's been here 17 years. And nicest people. We met them last time. Great food, great coffee, and just the nicest lady. Hello.
Your prawns. Yum. We wonder if you have some lemonade, your specialty.
This is the best lemonade in Indonesia. Probably even in America. It's that good. It's that good. What do you think, Elizabeth? Give it a taste and tell us what you think.
It's really good. It has like, I don't know if it has sugar in it. Does it have sugar?
A little bit.
A little bit of sugar.
Sedikit.
And it has lemon, and then it has cinnamon and ice, and it's really good.
It's great. It's very good. That looks delicious. It's got like shrimp and then avocado, some bread. Wow. Your husband eats very well.
That's why you have a big belly.
That's why he has a belly.
24 years before, he was so skinny and so muscle man.
And then you started cooking.
Yeah, okay.
It's all your fault.
No, he got 1 pack now. Before he only got a 6 pack. And it's better 1 big pack now.
Eat.
Eat.
It's
Not
delicious.
pictures. We want to eat.
So good.
We become good friends with Melina and her husband Franz. We share meals together and get an insider glimpse into how the people of Pulawai live. Their hospitality is unmatched in all of Indonesia. These newly formed friendships make it so hard to lift our anchor and move on.
The mosquito monster spawner.
Okay.
So look very closely,
Yeah.
and you should see some mosquitoes
Oh,
start
good.
popping out.
One popped out. Is there water in there, or how come so many
They
mosquitoes?
just breed down there, I think.
Really?
Yeah, so they come out of there.
Oh, yeah, look at 'em all.
Boom.
Yikes! There's a lot of
That's
mosquitoes.
why I keep them covered.
Oh yeah.
Help the people here.
The mosquito monster spawner next to the coffee shop. Perfect.
Now we are heading to the place that has the best crepes. A restaurant owned by a French woman named Nola. So we're gonna go say hi to her and show you her place. It's called Le Café Bleu. Nola at Le Café Bleu. We saw her drive by, so she just left. She's probably off to run some errands or something, so we decided not to go there because you can't meet her. We'll do it later, and right now we're gonna go grab a bite to eat somewhere else.
When you spend a lot of time in one place, we found that the kids will start to name the animals and the fish. So inside this restaurant where we're having lunch, Michael and the kids have named the cats. One of them is a black cat, and they call him the Grim Reaper. They've got a pufferfish out here called Chomp, and who knows what else, but it's kind of fun to watch the kids name the pets in the village as they kind of roam around.
This is not what I thought it was going to be, but that happens all the time. So usually nasi campur comes with vegetables, like cucumbers or tomatoes or something, and this time just rice and chicken. So campur means mixed or variety or something. So usually has like rice and chicken and little chips and a variety of things on my plate, but today I guess they just have rice and chicken, so rice and chicken it is.
What's this called?
Mi goreng.
Mi goreng. Looks good. A little egg on top.
We conclude our short tour with full stomachs and prepare for our journey to dive Rondo Island with a few of our friends at Iboih Dive Center in the upcoming days.
Stories, yeah, I've heard them all. So many big dreams got me feeling so small. But I found a thing, the most beautiful